guys, Derek here with EZ LYNK ELD. Today we're going to walk you through a few features on our Fleet Manager portal on the desktop version. We're going to go over how to activate your ELD subscription. So let's jump into it. I'm going to do a screen recording here while I talk to you guys in front of the camera. So for starters, with your ELD Fleet Manager account, you're going to go over onto the left-hand side for EZ LYNK ELD subscriptions. If you're on the login information, you can see down here it is not active. So we're going to go ahead and hit subscribe. Now your serial number, this is going to be your auto agent. It's going to be the find numbers right here towards the bottom of the auto agent 3. That's where you'll put that information in. To the right hand side up top, we're going to go ahead and hit subscribe. Now here you can see the different subscription plans that we have to offer. Depending on the needs of your trucking company, we've got just your standard ELD, covers just your hours of service and your logs. You can do the ELD plus the DVIR, which includes your driver vehicle inspection reports. And then if you're going to be doing any interstate traveling, we also have the ELD plus DVIR plus IFTA reporting. And we'll go into detail a little bit more about the IFTA reporting and how it works and how easy it is to use. So today, just to show you the full package, we're going to click the ELD, DVIR, and the IFTA package. Right here in the middle of the screen, we'll have our serial number, and we have selected ELD, DVIR, and IFTA. We'll hit next, and here you'll just go through the simple terms and conditions, read through them, make sure you agree to them, and if you scroll to the very bottom, you'll see that the accept button is now able for you to hit accept. We're going to go ahead and hit accept. We have the subscription details. Just make sure everything looks good. Our summary right here, we're going to be $30 a month. Guys, it's $30 a month for an incredible package that will make you guys' trucking company run efficiently on the road. So we'll go next. You're going to put your password into your Fleet Manager account just to confirm, and then here you'll just put your credit card information in. At that point, confirm, you guys are active, ready to rock and roll, and you can get back on the road. So here's just a quick, simple overview of the Fleet Manager account on the desktop version. Stay tuned for more videos. We're going to go more in depth about how to subscribe to DriveWyze, which is our way station bypass, how to sign up for Highway, which is the vehicle identification service that we got set up with. Lots more to come. We're excited. Stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you on the next video.